Hi guys, going to talk to you today about the 4 things I do and the 4 things you should do every time you go to Harbor Freight to make sure you get the best deal possible. Now, 3 of the things I do, the first 3 things are done online, and the 4th thing is done in person in store. So the first thing I do whenever I go to Harbor Freight, or before I go to Harbor Freight, is I'll go to harborfreight.com. And I know, pretty simple, right? But still, it's good to check right on their home page. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see some of the stuff they have on sale. So that's the first place I check. The next place I go is, oh, and keep in mind, these 3 web pages I'm going to tell you about, they are also available on your mobile phone. So the second place I go is to this Get Coupons link. And you can either click here or go to harborfreight.com/savings_coupons.html. Now this web page is usually pretty long, and there tends to be a lot of coupons here. So I find that it's a little bit easier to go through this on a computer and kind of pick out which things I'm going to get ahead of time rather than trying to sort through this on a mobile phone. I mean, it's definitely doable, but it saves your time if you know ahead of time and get your coupons ready before you get to the store. The third web page, there isn't really a link that I know of that you click on to get there, but here is the URL that you can type directly into your web browser or mobile phone. It's harborfreight.com/digital savings. Now this is where you're going to find the super coupon, the 20% off any single item. There are restrictions, but I use one of these coupons almost every time I go. And then you'll also see what free items they have. So free with any purchase, like this flashlight they have a lot. It's actually pretty decent, but I've seen some other really cool stuff that they give away for free with purchase, like microfiber cloths, batteries, and things like that, multimeter, tape measure. So I always check here to get the 20% off coupon, but to also see what's free. And then they have some other stuff here too. Now, there are sometimes 25% off coupons, and those are a little more rare, and they're usually limited time validity. So how I use it is that I have some more expensive tools that I'm only willing to buy on 25% off coupon. And I have a list on my phone actually. And when I see a 25% off coupon pop up, it is only good for a single item. And if my schedule matches up and the coupon is valid, I'll go buy one of these tools that I want to get the 25% off of on. And sometimes there is actually a 30% off coupon. But the restriction, the deal with that one is that they have to be for items under $10. It's still a great coupon, getting up to 5 items for 30% off under $10. But just be aware whenever you see that 30% off coupon that it's usually for items under $10. So just make sure and check the coupon and see what the exclusions are and what the details are for that. Now the 4th thing I do is done in store, and I'm going to call it the orange sticker deal. It's actually refurbished or floor model merchandise, but I like to call it the orange sticker deal for ease of memory. So anyways, what it is customer returns, and I talked to the guys at my local Harbor Freight, and it's also sometimes demo or floor models that they're rotating out. So I've been able to get some really good deals on stuff. I mean, even in this picture I took recently, there's this 30 to 34 degree framing nailer, and the orange sticker price is $52.50. But get this, you get it for 50% off of the orange sticker price. So it's only $26.25. Keep in mind, it has a different return policy, so make sure to check and make sure it's in good working order before you get it. And so if you see, this framing nailer is normally $100. And if you're able to get it for $26.25, that's a great deal. Now, they had a few of them available, and some of them were definitely more used than the others, but a couple of them looked like they're brand new. So be aware of that. You can kind of see sometimes they might have several of one item on sale, and check and just see, because some of them might be in better condition than others. So the next 3 things I'm going to talk to you about are just 3 examples of 3 things I've gotten on the orange sticker special. Oh, and if I didn't already mention, usually the refurbished merchandise and the orange sticker merchandise, it's like kind of off to the corner or maybe kind of near the entrance off to the side. It's not always super clear, so you might have to look around to see where it is or just ask one of the store associates where, you know, the refurbished merchandise, the orange sticker stuff is. I've also seen it where it was on orange tag, but they didn't have the 50% off, and in that case, it really wasn't that good of a deal. So I haven't purchased during that. I usually will only purchase when it's the 50% off the orange sticker price. So, all right, the next 3 are just some examples of the sweet deals I got, and maybe you could score too. The first was this 12-volt Ratchet. I've always been wanting one of these. I've seen a lot of reviews, but I just didn't want to pay a ton of money for it. So this is normally $130. You'll see it on coupon a lot for about $100. I was able to score this for $46.50 on the orange sticker deal. This next item is Link's Leafblower. I've purchased actually a few of these, and friends have purchased them too. And the best price I've ever seen is about $110 on coupon. But on the orange sticker deal, I've actually scored one of these for $53.50, which is really amazing. The battery, everything was in great shape. I was super stoked. So just keep an eye out for stuff that you want. And this third thing was a demo hammer that I purchased. It's great for breaking up concrete and other kind of demo work, and it totally beats trying to do something by hand. Anyways, I was able to hook up one of these for $125. It was a customer return and it had been used a couple of times, so it wasn't brand new. But for my use, $125 to get this was such a great deal. So obviously this orange sticker deal doesn't work if you need a tool, unless you get really lucky. It's not going to work like same day. It's more for like, hey, I have some tools that I've been wanting to get, but I really don't need them that bad, and I definitely don't want to pay full price. And I have a list of tools like that I want, and every time I go to Harbor Freight, I'll check and see if they have any of the things I want on orange sticker 50% off. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped, and I hope it helps you save a lot of money ultimately. And happy tool hunting. Have a great day. Bye.